If we have artificial intelligence, do we really still need teachers? Do we still need school in its traditional form? Is AI better at teaching reading and writing and math? Can school take place from computers? Does all learning have to be plugged in now? If we have chatbots with limitless knowledge and information, the entire world at our fingertips, do we still need teachers? These are great questions, but I think before we ask any of those questions, we have to ask the primary one. What is the point of school? Is it to turn students into knowledge retention machines? Is it just about information? Or is the ideal of school bigger than that? If I were to ask you, what is the ideal graduate? You'd probably respond with more than just the word smart. You might say the ideal graduate is empathetic or collaborative. They can think critically, can lead people, solve complex problems, has work ethic, is gritty, is resilient, kind, goal-oriented. The ideal graduate is the kind of person we want in our communities and society. So if that's what we want, school should be a place that emphasizes the development of those traits and characteristics and skills. That's what school should largely be about. And I don't see artificial intelligence doing this by itself. No, that requires hands-on learning experiences. It needs learning in community. It requires teachers and educators to model and inspire. It requires human connection. AI is powerful, but it's not human. I know a teacher named Mrs. Shansky who brings joy to reading instruction. So much patience and grace as she models and guides her students. Oh, but when they figure it out, when it finally clicks, she feels so much joy, and her students feel that joy and passion and confidence themselves. The joy radiates from Heather, and it flows into her students. And so it's no wonder her students become lifelong readers. They don't just learn how to read, they learn how to love it. And I don't see ChatGPT doing that. Now, Heather can use AI to give students instant feedback on their work, spending less time grading and more time actually working with kids. You can use it to make personalized reading plans for students, or use speech recognition to teach phonetics, or lots of other things with it. I mean, AI is powerful and useful, and I do think we need to find ways to take advantage of it to deeper student learning. But it is just another tool in the tool belt. You can call me old school, but I think students will always need trained professionals who love what they teach and deeply care about who they teach. AI is an incredible tool, but humans will always need humans.